Hi, welcome to the Med Quizzes channel. Today, let's challenge our knowledge with the top 10 quizzes about the most interesting fact about pertussis disease. Let us know how many questions you answered correctly below. Now, let's get started.
What causes whooping cough? A. Bordetella pertussis bacteria. B. Influenza virus. C. Streptococcus bacteria. The correct answer is A. Bordetella pertussis bacteria. What is a common symptom of whooping cough? A. Joint pain. B. Severe coughing fits. C. Skin rash. The correct answer is B. Severe coughing fits. Which age group is most at risk for severe whooping cough complications? A. Infants. B. Teenagers. C. Elderly. The correct answer is A. Infants. How is whooping cough primarily spread? A. Respiratory droplets. B. Contaminated food. C. Insect bites. The correct answer is A. Respiratory droplets. What sound is characteristic of whooping cough after a coughing fit? A. Wheezing. B. Gurgling. C. Whooping sound. The correct answer is C. A whooping sound. What is a common complication of whooping cough in infants? A. Diabetes. B. Pneumonia. C. Arthritis. The correct answer is B. Pneumonia. What is the best prevention method for whooping cough? A. Antibiotics. B. Wearing masks. C. Vaccination. The correct answer is C. Vaccination. What type of vaccine is used to protect against whooping cough? A. DTaP vaccine. B. MMR vaccine. C. Hepatitis B vaccine. The correct answer is A. DTaP vaccine. How long can the cough from whooping cough last? A. 1 to 2 days. B. A few hours. C. Up to 10 weeks. The correct answer is C. Up to 10 weeks. What is the first stage of whooping cough called? A. Catarrhal stage. B. Convalescent stage. C. Prodromal stage. The correct answer is A. Catarrhal stage.